Hi everyone, have you ever known about this? That case happened in 2020 when Paris Saint-Germain from France versus Besiktas from Turkey in UEFA Champions League football match. In the first half of the match, the club assistant coach Besiktas, Perry Wibu, had been racially abused by the fourth official. This incident can include racism cases, so the question is, what is racism? How can that happen? And how can we stop it? My name is Muhammad Hafiz Mustafa, and let's discuss it together. According to Britannica, racism, also known as racialism, is the belief that humans can be divided into different biological entities, also known as races. That there is a causal link between inherited physical traits and personality, intellect, morality, and other cultural and behavioral characteristics, and that some races are innately superior to others. Since the late 20th, the notion biological race has been recognized as the cultural invention entirely without scientific basis. Racism dictated that the different races, primarily black and white, be separate from another, that they should have their own distinct communities and develop their own institutions such as churches, schools, hospitals, and that it was unnatural for members of races to marry in North America and apartheid or South Africa. Many conflicts around the world have been interpreted in racialism terms since the mid 20th century, despite their origin in ethnic rivalries that have traditionally divided many human cultures, such as Arabs and Jews, English and Irish. Racism displays a willingness to tolerate the most extreme forms and degrees of division, with the notion that disparities between groups are so great that they cannot be overcome. Racism instills hatred and distrust in victims and make it impossible to understand them. For that reason, most human society have concluded that racism is wrong, and at least in principle and social trends have moved away from racism. Many societies have begun to combat racism by raising awareness of racial beliefs and practice by promoting human understanding in public policies, as does Universal Declaration of Human Rights set forth by United Nations in 1948. So, what is the kind of racism? First, interpersonal racism is the predominant bias or discrimination by a white individual towards a person of color. Second, institutional racism, policial practice, procedure, and of culture are an institution or system that work better for white people and cause harm to people of color, often innately, fraternally, or unintentionally. Third, structural racism, when the institutional racism of many institutions overlaps to generate a web of racism harming individuals and communities of color in the history, cultures, and the contemporary reality of racism across institutions or in system. This includes social narratives rejecting race both implicit and explicit, such as those propagated by the media. Fourth, internalized racism. The internalization of the racist stereotypes, values, the image, and ideologies perpetuated by the white dominant society about one's racial group by Pike in 2010. So after all the explanation, there only one question left. How can we fight racism? First, we have to recognize that there is a diversity around us, especially we live in Indonesia, which has a lot of culture. Furthermore, we know that Indonesia has a variety of different culture, from Sabang until Merauke. So the second way is tolerance is other is in the difference of culture that we have in Indonesia. Tolerance can prevent the conflict in racism. Third, recognizing human rights in our life. We should know and remind to everyone that everyone has the same chance to live and treated fairly. So racism is the part of injustice. To sum up, racism is the view that humans can be divided into biological entities known as races. So this is a negative belief which have to be removed. So we have to recognize that there is a diversity and human right in our life and tolerance of the difference of culture in our world. I think that's all from me. Don't forget to leave your comment in this video. Thank you and bye.